Mini toy motor. These mini-sized DC motors are great for DIY hobbies, science projects, and toy cars and robots. These are the standard 130 size DC hobby motors. They come with a wider operating range than most toy motors, 3 to 9 VDC instead of 3 to 9 VDC. This range makes them perfect for controlling with the Adafruit Motor Shield or Arduino, where you're more likely to have 5 or 9V available than the higher current 3V setting. They will fit most electronics that already have 130 sized motors installed and have 2 breadboard-friendly wires already soldered on for fast prototyping. Features. These mini-sized DC motors are great for DIY hobby, science projects, and for toy cars and robots. This is a general motor suitable for small toy car, using 3V DC voltage. Motor height, 30 mm. Output shaft diameter, 2 mm. Output shaft length, 8 mm. Voltage, 3V. Speed, 14500 R/min ±5%. Weight, 17 g. Output shaft length, 8 mm. Starting from the front panel volume. Idling current approximate, 0.11 A, stall 1.8 A. Speed approximate, 12,500 RPM.